Right here I have the cloud couch that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this 102-inch cloud couch. Now this is absolutely amazing because it's one of the softest cloud couches that I've actually been able to have my hands on, and it is so comfortable. This is going to be the black. It also comes in a nice gray as well, and you're going to get 5 pillows, 2 in the back. These things are pretty soft. Big pillows in the back, you're going to get 3 of those. They supply a great bit of support in the back for the lumbar. So when I am sitting here hanging out, whether I'm watching TV or just lounging on the couch, that definitely gives me a ton of support. Now on the sides, you're going to get 2 of these smaller pillows, really soft and skin friendly as well. This is going to be a corduroy material, and man, oh man, does this feel nice on the skin. Laying those on the sides makes it really nice if you do want to sit up on here on the side and kind of just nudge over. You can actually use these as a pillow too. If you have people sleeping over, spending the night, these actually make great pillows because they're super fluffy. This is going to be really long, guys. This is a 102-inch, pretty long cloud couch. The best part about a cloud couch is that if you live in an apartment or a townhouse, or maybe you don't want to assemble furniture, this is stress-free, hassle-free, shows up in a box. You can lift this up into your apartment, carry this upstairs, open it up, and it'll expand to this in about 3 to 7 days. Make sure you be careful whenever you open it up because you want to make sure this stays intact and you don't damage anything. After you do, the reward is amazing. It's so satisfying to watch these couches expand. Now, once they do expand for that 3 to 7 day period, it's going to look like this, and this looks absolutely stunning. Now, if you notice over here on this side, guys, I've been saving this best part for last because this is my favorite part of the sectional. Each one of these sections is going to be able to hold 350 pounds of weight. It's going to be made with a high density foam, supports me very nice. As I'm hanging out, lounging on this side, I got my feet fully extended, which gives us a great option. It's an L-shaped sectional, and I love the look of this. You can put this in the corner of the room, you could put this right in the middle as a centerpiece, and you can also angle these pieces around and make it into a cool little hangout area, which I do like. Now, if you look over here on the sides, we're gonna have pretty wide armrests, and these are perfect because you can put your laptop on here, you can actually balance stuff on here because it is nice and flat. Big armrest, enough to be very comfortable. This material is also paling resistant, so you know this corduroy fabric's gonna last for a long time, and it's also pet friendly. This stuff has zippers on it so you can take it off and you can wash it and do all that, keep it nice, easy to clean. This looks absolutely stunning in the room. It looks sophisticated, it looks modern, it looks high end. I do love the fact that if you do have people stay over your house, they can crash on this couch overnight, and I think they'll be very comfortable. Has very great support with this high density foam. I think you'll be very surprised with how comfortable this really is. I highly recommend this couch. I give this a 10 out of 10. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.